everyone, my name is Ansa. I'm going to tell you how to be safe from earthquakes. So first, the earth starts cracking and starts to move and starts to shake. The earthquake grounds like all the places they start to get cracks. The same also the islands would get cracks. So whenever they say earthquake, please remember for safety bags and never go near a window or any glass thing. Stay under a table and always remember you go by the stairs. That is our emergency exit. So if you have any problem with earthquakes, remember the earthquakes, they are actually natural, but they aren't good. You might get hurt, things would fall, and so always remember to wear safety caps and get out of the way. Go on the road and leave your buildings. The birds would fly away, and whenever you need help, please shout out for help nearby if there's anyone to help. If you don't, you could call back your phone. But be careful, your phone might get cracked. So now you all have learned the safety rules, right? There are even more safety rules. The more safety rules are whenever there's an earthquake, always remember to not go by a lift. It is very dangerous. And always remember to leave everything except people and your babies. Babies are very important with skins, so they might get so much hurt with the earthquakes. They might also cry with the earthquakes. So dear parents, always remember to be safe from the earthquakes. And please remember to subscribe and see you in the next